Back in September, students and staff walked the neighborhood for the March for Peace. It was all part of the Unity Club's mission to bring awareness to the need for diversity. Unity Club is an organization that unifies the student body by promoting cultural awareness between all races, ethnicities, and backgrounds. Their goal to break barriers and dispel stereotyping. They do this through sharing cultural experiences and group discussions, foods, and dances.
Hi, I'm African American, and Unity Club is very diverse and unified, and we all come together every Monday.
During meetings, students indulge in fun, interactive activities that help us get to know one another. Students also spend time learning cultural dances, listening to cultural music, and tasting cultural food from all around the world. Once a month, they do an activity called Circle, in which they sit in a circle on the ground, meditate, and then have a Q&A. If they have any curiosity about things they are unaware of another student's culture or traditions. Students in Unity Club also get a chance to physically explore cultures by going to cultural museums and restaurants serving food from all around the world.
Unity Club is a club that stops stereotypes because
It's
well,
bringing
all types of people together,
yeah, it's bringing all types of religions together.
religions and cultures and stuff like that together.
Unity Club also likes to give back to the community by spending some time with seniors at Providence nursing homes here in Palos Heights. They get to showcase their talents by performing cultural dances and sharing a variety of foods and pastries. Always looking for new members, and we meet every Monday in the NPR.